We are going to talk about streams in Java. In general, a stream means a continuous stream of data. Streams are a clean way to process input-output without every part of your code understanding the physical layer. So, we have here in the reading process the source and the program. The source is providing the program with a stream as an input stream. So data of the source, data from the source is providing the program with a stream of data. It is called input stream. While writing data to destination, we use output stream. So program use output stream for destination. In other words, when you need to read data from source, you need to use input stream. While writing data to destination, you need to use output stream. This is in summary. A stream is linked to a physical layer by the Java I/O system to make input-output. Java encapsulates streams under the java.io package. Java defines two types of streams, byte stream and character streams. These are very important types of streams, the byte and the character. We are going to see the different types that we need to ensure they are read correctly. Java's stream-based I/O is built upon four abstract classes. We can read streams or the streams, dealing with streams with four abstract classes: input stream, output stream, reader, or writer. When to use input, where to use output, when to use reader and writer. Input stream, or they are used to create several concrete stream subclasses. Although your program perform their I/O operation through concrete subclasses, the top-level class define the basic functionality common to all stream classes. Input stream and output stream are designed for byte streams. These are very important, guys. Please write them down to ensure you understand everything and write all notes. While reader and writer are designed for character streams. So understand two concepts. Input stream and output stream are designed for byte streams, while the reader and writer are designed for character streams. The byte stream classes and the character stream classes form separate hierarchy. In general, you should use the character stream class when working with characters or strings, and use the byte stream classes when working with bytes or other binary objects. Okay? So, reader and writer are designed for the characters and the string. So when you deal with strings where you need to write or read the characters or strings, you should use reader and writer. When dealing with objects, when binary objects or byte streams, with bytes or other binary objects, like you have created an object and you need to save it, you need to deal with input stream and output stream. And this is what we are going to see in the next videos in the encoding.